Hey everybody, welcome back to Ballroom Mastery. We have a very, very special episode today. Today is about the Carousel. Now, we have people subscribing from all over the world. I get emails and comments from people in the Philippines, South America, South Africa, London, USA, Canada, literally everywhere in the world. But today's dance is special because, well, one, it's my wife's absolute favorite. So I've asked, her really good friend and student, Zoe, to come on in and sub for me while she's raising our beautiful daughter. But it's special because this dance is not anywhere else outside of Australia. I mean, there's a few pockets of the world where they may dance this, but New Vogue is the dance this falls under. And it's what we refer to as sequence dancing. So if you're in America and you do a lot of smooth, you may look at some of these moves and go, that looks interesting, I might like to do that. So this video is for you. If you want to test yourself on following through this beautiful dance, which is danced to the slow foxtrot music. And you'll recognize some of the figures, but I think you'll enjoy testing this one at home. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the New Vogue videos, and we'll make more of them for you because there's a lot of these to go. So thank you very much, and please enjoy the Carousel.
All I do is dream of you the whole night through. With the dawn, I still go on and dream of you. You're every thought, you're everything, you're every song I ever sing. Summer, winter, autumn and spring. And when they're more than 24 hours a day that they spend in sweet content, dream away. When skies are gray, when skies are blue, morning, noon and nighttime too. All I do the whole day through is dream of you.
She's fine, laying on the sofa and she doesn't mind anything I do or anything I say. I know she doesn't listen to my words anyway. A lazy, crazy, lolly-dolly doing her thing with Paris Hilton gowns and plastic rings. She's telling me no pardon, but telling me lies. We think I'm stupid, doesn't take my advice. She's my phone.
So here's the Carousel figure names. Now it's a bit unusual because it's not like they're set figure groups like you might find in the normal ballroom dances, but we'll give it a crack. We start off with 2 walks forward, walk into a forward cross. We step back and we point to the side and slightly forward. We lock behind and we brush without weight. Now from here the lady breaks away, slow or quick, fuck, I counted, where's the shoe? I didn't have a shoe. Shoe lady, let's try again. Ready? No, it's good, keep it on. My bad. All right, I got this, remember, don't grip. All right. So here we are with the figure names of the Carousel, and again, it's a little bit of an unusual dance because we don't have set figure groups. We borrow a lot of steps from the ballroom dancers, but I will walk through the steps as best as I can to help explain it as quickly as possible. So we start off with 2 walks forward, followed by a forward cross. we step back and we point. Now, we continue with a lock behind and we brush without weight. Now the lady commences a breakaway, we step and brush, and then we commence a chassé to the side. The next step is called the grapevine. Think of it as a zigzag. We take one step forward to the side and back, and then under the body into another chassé to the side. And then we hit a line, almost like a weird contract. Now we do a carousel. This is where the actual name comes from, which are walks around each other, brushing, and then we continue with another set of walks around in a circle. Now, we chassé to the side, we step out into a lunge. We come back and we do a step called a twinkle, which changes feet, and then we step forward. Forward, we swing to the side and cross behind like a whisk. We step forward, forward, step to the side, cross behind like another whisk. We step forward to the side and close into our normal position. The carousel timing: slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for today's carousel. How did you enjoy it? Did you like the dance? Is it something you'd like to learn? If so, leave a comment below and let us know how you went with it, what more you'd like to learn, because of course we can go into detail about footwork. The arm styling is obviously very, very important. And I want to thank Zoe for coming in, because I changed the dance last minute and I said, we're going to do the carousel today, and she was like, let's do it. And she did a great job, because this dance is beautiful because it's interchangeable. So test it out in your studio, give it a shot with someone and have a lot of fun. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We look forward to helping you master the art of ballroom dancing. Thank you.